Hello everyone, so in this video I was going to share some of the food that I'm eating today, which is some grapes and some potatoes and a delicious vegan pizza. So the reason why I want to share this is because I don't want people getting like crazy and snobbish and wild and tense vibration, a sticky icky vibration with fear around food, thinking like everything's going to kill them, or like that this is like terribly bad, or like too much stuff going on about like the food. So at the end of the day, I make a lot of videos about like fruitarianism, and I take herbs and superfoods like spirulina like a fair bit of the time, like definitely herbs all the time. Like I have a herb store and I take like stuff for my adrenal glands and my lymphatic system, and I take like pine pollen and often spirulina. So I think I've just finished 5.5 to 6.5 days of just eating fruits with a tiny little bit of like nuts, or like a tiny bit of cashew nut yesterday, and walnut, tiny bit in a bar, a bit. I won't even say a tiny bit, it was a bit. So the reason I make this video is because I don't want to only show the same thing I'm eating, is to give a false impression that I'm only eating that stuff all the time, because I'm definitely most certainly not. I've been on this journey for many years now, okay, like almost 10. And it's been more so in more recent years. I've really learned more about detoxification and fruitarianism, or at least like fruit-only bouts of eating. And I have to say, I pretty much do feel my best when I'm eating just fruits, I have to say. And when I'm more or less mono-mealing, so like I don't like eat 2 or 3 fruits at the same time, but I might eat like one, and then maybe 20 minutes or half an hour later I may eat another one possibly, or else eat just mangoes, for example, my favourite. My favourite would be just mangoes, and my other favourite fruit would be durian. But so I had this here with 3 digestive enzymes, with some grapes, just to give it some like living fibre and juiciness, and just to help it digest and to move through. But I think what I want to say in this video is, it's not just what you eat, but it's how much you eat, and it's when you eat. Because I'm definitely a big fan of eating during the daylight and not eating at night time. It's definitely best to have your smallest meal in the evening, or at least if it is your biggest, at least have it like well before bed. Because what you want is an empty stomach and a rested digestive system when you go to sleep. So then you can have a full regenerative, healing, rejuvenating sleep, where you can wake up as refreshed and healed, and your organs get a really good rest and strengthened. And also you recover faster from exercise when you get a good sleep, which means going to bed early. I'm a huge fan of going to bed early. Apparently a lot of the centenarians who lived till over 100, they all had like going to bed very early and up in common. So that for me is like a huge factor. Like, and they eat all sorts of stuff. So it's not like overeating is terribly taxing your system too. So it's not, as I said, it's not what you eat. Like some people go crazy with fruitarian, raw food diet. They do become a certain sense of religiousness and like dogmatism and like crazy. And then they get afraid. So what I want to say in this video before I go is, enjoy your food, love it, appreciate it, have fun and enjoy it, okay? If you're going to eat something, line up with it vibrationally. For example, let's say you usually eat a raw food diet, let's say you're going to have a craving, or you just want to eat some potatoes or pizza, like this is vegan pizza, because non-vegan pizza happens to make me feel sick, like, or at least weakens my immune system. So if you are going to eat something different, line up with it vibrationally. Don't eat it all tense and sticky and icky. Give yourself a pep talk. View it from a certain perspective. Like, make yourself feel relief and harmony and relax, and then you can enjoy it. Because it's not just what you eat, it's the vibration in which you eat it. That's the last thing I wanted to say. It's the vibration in which you eat it, which is what's most important to everyone. We want to have like enjoyment and appreciation for the food, and love and appreciation for our body, and even the chefs or the food preparers, whatever. Just for your money and your abundance, your blessing, your wealth, your the people, everyone involved, and all of nature, the plants as well. You want to love your organs and feel gratitude, and just even if you feel you're overeating, or even if you feel it's not the best, soften the blow. Don't be too self-critical or critical on the food you're eating. It's very important. And in my own, there's somebody picking up litter. Pretty cool. Fair play to them. So in my own life, like as I've relaxed about food, I become freer to make decisions. When you don't relax, it's more like an addiction. Like, oh no, like it's a bad relationship with food. But the more you can relax and let up and criticizing yourself and accept and love yourself unconditionally for where you are in life, if you forget it, stop making the story that you're failing, or you should be doing this, or you shouldn't be doing that. Make a decision, line up with it vibrationally, do it, and then see how your body feels. And if you feel like not doing it again for a while, or a longer period than ever, or never, fine, yeah. And if you change your mind, yeah, okay, line up with it. So in my own progression, I've gotten much better with this. I have far less cravings, I have far less emotional eating. Pretty much these days, the only time I generally get like cravings like today is when I just over exercise and eat a little bit too heavy at night time and I go to bed too late. It knocks my system out of whack and I get like sort of like emotional type of, or else just some sort of like ulterior craving. So it's interesting, you know. But like, it's not like it's a devastating, like, oh my god, like anxiety craving. It's more like, it used to be more like that, like, oh, give me this now, I need it. It used to be like that. But over time, over space and time, it's become so much easier, and my relationship has been much happier with food. So it's very important to everybody to have a happy, peaceful, harmonic relationship with food, and everybody in our past, everyone in our present, ourselves, our parents, our children, our family, everybody. So the less baggage you have, the better. Yeah, everyone. I've really enjoyed this pizza. I wish I could share it with some of my loved ones, and I kept some for later for my mum. And yeah, happy going forward. I'm going to go back to eating what I feel best on, which is fruits. Basically just fruits. Pretty much like 95 to 100% fruits eating, with some herbs or supplements. As it's not really a solid food, it's more like powder I add to liquids. So just being honest with you, everyone, like I do some things with that, you know. And I've also eaten like raw honey with royal jelly and propolis and bee pollen in it in the past too. I let myself experiment and try it out, and in those circumstances I've just, you know, I've hopes, and it sounded like the bees are treated very well. So it's a long story. We can't go around always judging each other, everyone. It's a hard case because everyone has many things to be judged about. Once in the past someone was judging me about something, I was like, fucking hell, man, like I could judge you about a whole lot of stuff in your life that I don't agree with too. But it's not my place. Like, there's a lot of things that I do differently if I were you also regarding relationships, like where you don't have love and connection and harmony. And if that was me, I'd be like really prioritizing that. There could be some hurt and pain in these issues. So I do agree with what the Bible says basically, and that is that the first without sin throw the first stone, or something like that. Because we're all trying our best, we're all learning. We're here to help and support each other, everyone, not to like judge and criticize and look down our noses at people. We all come from different backgrounds and experiences and pains and trauma and programming, so therefore we all have different bodies and metabolisms and needs and wishes and wants and desires. So it's a complicated issue in life to try and figure out what's best for anyone, like in diet, and it's very hard to try and figure out what's best for someone. Just generally, they really have to tune in and to be receptive, to clear their energies, and then they be in the receptive mode to receive the truth, what's really best for them, intuitively and instinctively. So anyway, I hope this video helped everyone. I've shared a lot of information in this video, so if you feel like sharing, please share with any friends or family or social media, so others can learn and benefit from this video too, and helps relax about their relationship with food. And when you do relax, you're going to choose way better, healthier options in the future overall, because it's just not a sticky, stuck-up energy. And you have so much more happiness and appreciation and peace of mind towards yourself and other people too. And you'll have a better connection with nature and where your food is coming from, the origins of it. And then you just enjoy your food more too, instead of being uptight or judgmental about yourself. So yeah. So yeah, everyone, if you like this video, give it a like and subscribe. Thanks and hit the bell button for notifications. Otherwise, you may not see any of my new videos. And if you have any questions or comments on herbs, superfoods, detoxing, fasting, building, body weights, calisthenics, I love fitness, anything like that, hit the bell, ask me, leave a comment, and have a beautiful day. Have a beautiful day, everybody. Life is short. It's meant to be enjoyed and loved and lived and laughed. So make the most of it. Never give up hope and view optimistically. Be optimistic. Okay, take care. Lots of love. Thanks for watching. Thanks.